Hello there. This is your aromatherapist, Ronak. Today, I'm going to talk about chakra healing. Although in my previous videos, I talk about specific chakras and their utilization, but still I see that my clients keep on asking me what seven chakra means, where the word chakra came from, how does it work, why it is so much beneficial, and all these things. So I think that, okay, if I make a video and give an overview of the whole chakra healing, maybe that would be beneficial. I don't know if I would be able to do it in one video, but I will try to cover as much as possible. The concept of chakras or energy centers has been a part of South Asian culture for centuries. Chakra means wheels. Okay, so chakras are basically known as the energy centers. Where is it located? Uh, these are invisible. So chakras are located. We can assume that chakras are located in the midline of the body, from, let's say, lower abdomen to the crown of the head. According to many researchers, especially Barbara Ann Brennan, she explains that actually our aura has 7 layers. So each aura is associated with a chakra. That's why we came to know about 7 chakras. So, according to Barbara, there are specific locations within our body, that is our energy system, for creating many issues such as sensations, emotions, thoughts, memories, and other non physical experiences as well. So, when you go to the therapist or a doctor, we may tell them that the reason for my visit today is lately I'm feeling emotionally down, or my memories are betraying me, it is failing me, things like that. And these symptoms are related to the locations. So when our chakra system are totally in balance, we do not have any major issues, emotional, non-emotional, physical problems. So everything will be working fine because our chakras are in balance. Those invisible chakras are all aligned, let's put it this way. But when they are too constricted or too open, that's when the problem starts. I would give you an example of a clogged sink. Okay, so everyone knows that when the tap water is only dripping, it's very hard for us to do the cleaning. We want to do dishes, we have to wait hours because there is not enough water flow. Or let's say the other way around. When it is too much, the water is gushing out, we can't get our work done properly because it is not letting us steadily do a job. So, exactly, the chakra, it should not be too open or too constricted. It has to have an alignment, a balance. How to attain the balance? And in order for you to get the balance, we have to talk a lot more because now I have to go over all 7 chakras and how to take care of them. Color is very important in chakra system, each chakra is embedded with different colors. That's why it is called 7 chakra or 7 color chakra. I really would like to talk a lot more about the importance of each color, but this is not the video where I can go up to that length to talk about and explain about colors. So give me time. In my next video, I will talk about it. In my other videos, I talked already about root chakra, sacral chakra, and solar plexus chakra. So after this one, I would like to finish the other chakras starting from heart chakra. And if you are interested, in the meanwhile, please contact or let me know if you want to know any further about any other specific chakras, and we will go over it. Thank you so much for your feedback, and I will see you soon again.